guys, I'm Amy Wadsworth with 804 Sycamore, and today I am unboxing this 10-inch miter saw by Dewalt and its stand. So let's get going. The first item that I went ahead and unboxed was the Dewalt compact miter saw stand. Just took out the staples and then pulled out all the pieces. Now I was pleasantly surprised with how lightweight the stand was. The aluminum body is really easy to handle and nice and light, but sturdy at the same time. So I went ahead and opened everything, set everything out so that I could set it up. Now I was actually surprised how light the miter saw was. This is the Dewalt 10-inch single bevel compound miter saw, the DWS 713. And once I have everything out, I went ahead and set up the stand first. You can just squeeze those levers, get the legs out, and then flip it over. And the first thing I went ahead and added was the end caps. So I turned that lever to extend the arm, and then on the end cap, you just loosen up the screw, fit it on the end, and then tighten it up. And it's that easy. Here's a close-up so you can see. So I loosen up the lever, pull out the extension, and then on the end cap, you just have to loosen that piece right there, fit it on, and then tighten it up. And I really like these extension arms because it can be used to support my workpiece, or I can flip up that black piece, and that can be my length stop, which is really nice for just the right fitted board. So, and then I went ahead and I added the mounting brackets. Now I didn't know exactly how far apart they would be, so I just kind of got them on there, and now I'm going to get it fixed just right so that I can mount the mounting brackets onto my saw, and this will make it so much easier when I'm going to be doing work. After I got one side pretty much lined up, I just reached under and used the release lever underneath there on the mounting bracket to kind of scoot it over and get it lined up. It's just really super easy, and the miter saw is not too heavy for one person to maneuver. So that was a really nice piece for me, because when I do my DIY projects, I'm doing all the lifting and moving myself, and so having something convenient is all the better. So to mount this, I just drop in the screw, add my washers, and then the bolt. And I just use my fingers to get it started, and then my ratchet set to really get a nice tight fit. It's really that simple. And this is something that I will probably double check every few months, because I think over time and use they can get loose, and so that's something I can easily tighten. So now that my miter saw is on there, I'm just adding all the accessories, getting things ready to go. I love how smooth the saw moves, and the blade is a pretty basic blade that it comes with, pretty wide teeth. But when I made my first cuts, it was like butter. It was pretty nice. So just trying to show you here how I have my piece of wood on there, and I can extend the arms. I have the stops up. I can raise and lower it so that it's the appropriate height for my piece to set on the miter saw table. Got the other side going here too. And it's so versatile. I love that I can move it lengthwise and then up and down too. And it couldn't be any easier. The only knobs available are the ones for that. There's no extra gadgets to worry about. And if you don't want the stops, you can just fold them down. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to remove. Just make sure you have the saw blade down and locked, and then you can easily squeeze the levers and pull it off. And then I'm going to show you how I'm putting it away, and make sure you fold down the black stops. You don't want them crunching on your ground, and this way it just lays flat when I need to fold in the legs. And I love that there's a handle underneath this. It is just way too convenient. Okay, so I wanted to actually use it and check out, real time how this is going to work. Make sure your stand is on a nice flat surface, and obviously don't make any modifications to this stand for other than what it's supposed to be used for. You see how easy it just snapped on there? I felt it snap. I could tell that it was nice and balanced and on there securely. I'm so excited with how much ease this is going to be every time I set it up, the space it's going to save me. I have an old workbench right now, and I have not been clamping or attaching my miter saw onto this plastic work table. It's just way too much trouble, and I've had it slide around on me. So this is amazing. So I'm just making a few cuts, testing it out. I just absolutely love how easy and exact I can get those angled cuts. My other saw did not have such precision, so I'm pretty excited about this.